Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my swollen mouth, I just got home from the dentist. Today I have a very special opening for you guys. I have my Shop Disney order that I just received. Can't wait to open it. They were having a killer deal on plush stuffed animals, and I just couldn't help myself. So let's see what I got. You know, all that wonderful Disney tissue. So, I already opened this to make sure it would fit, and I wouldn't have to send it back. But it is an Oliver and Company shirt. It says, "Always by your side." And it has little decals down the side. So cute. Perfect for me, since I always miss my little Oliver. Perfect. I'm excited to wear that. It'll be a good school shirt. Alright. And then these were on sale. I'm probably going to put it up for trade, but it's a, what is it? Flotsam or Flotsam and Jetsam. Little eels from The Little Mermaid. Cute pin. They're going to be up for trade. Alright, where do I start? Let's start with the smallest one. Little one, you probably can already tell what he is. I'm excited for him. I think that this collection's so cute with the tiny big feet collection, but it's Percy from Pocahontas, and look at his little feet. I wonder if my receipt will be in here, but his regular price is $5.95, and I don't think that's what I actually paid for him. Okay, so I did pay $5.95 for Percy. The pins were $3.99, so they were on sale, and that shirt was $34. Okay, my next stuffy. You can probably already see this one too. Oh goodness, he is so soft. It is Coda from Brother Bear. He's so cute. So cute. And there's his little tag. So soft. 15 years already. And his regular price says $19.95, but I was able to get Coda for $8.99. Alright, the next two have to deal with the shirt. So, I got, just tear into it. Oh goodness, I love it already. It's Dodger. Look at him. Look at the slide dog. 30 years. So there's the tag. So cute. He was also originally $19.95. He's the medium plush. And for Dodger, I paid $8.99 as well. So a little over $10 off. Great deal I got. Now, oh, I forgot I ordered this. Okay, so these weren't on sale, but I was wanting them. It is the Percy, Miko, and Flint little pins. Perfect. They're regular $12.95, and I was able to get them for $7.99. And last, but certainly not least, when I saw that they were releasing this, I had to have him. It wasn't even a debatable argument at that point. But it's Oliver. My cute little Oliver. And his little tag. So cute. And he was originally $14.95. And Oliver was $5.99. So cute. So cute. So that's what I have. That's what I had to unbox today. I had everything right here, what I paid for it. Hopefully you guys can't see my address. Well, that's my exciting unboxing for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. I'll talk to you guys next time. See you later. Bye.